try me.
Makes me want to holler.
I make them a call. It's been on.
I care about you too. Sister.
Hey, where are you? I went to school.
Slavery.
That's definitely slavery.
Let's get right to our Brook Ball King and Queen for this year.
Why you planning to fall in love with your sister? Oh, man, that's cool, man. I ain't tripping. I'm slow, man. What the fuck is you talking about? You know what the fuck I'm talking about, bro. Y'all niggas cheating, man. Nobody got cheat you, dog. You on that side of the bridge. Stop acting like a little bitch.
Betty, you just got out of jail. You strong. As smart as you are, you can find something else. You got a son to think of.
Well, you write that shit down.
That shit is bullshit.
Let's start by getting a copy of your driver's license.
I'm still in the process of getting that. Oh, Dee, this is my brother Ben. Yeah, this is the father.
Take some food home. We got plenty left for us.
Thanks.
I'd love to help, but we're just not getting enough events lately.
Okay, thanks. I'll give you some more front money for speaking engagements or something. She's so cleaned up, man.
I said my ass, not my asshole.
Yeah, you need to come together as a team. I mean, just spit on your face and get that.
Oh, you think you slick, nigga? I'll beat your ass.